blew my mind when I first sort of learnt this, is that you defend your neck by leaving your neck alone and attacking his hips. It seems counterintuitive. Yeah? Cool. I might not feel, for whatever reason, I can turn that way. Okay, so I might think that I've got to go that way, and I'm going to have to accept that he's going to probably try and go for my back. Now, we're going to turn him. We're going to take him off his centre, and we're going to turn him over so we're on top. All right? Pull this side away from him. This foot is going to go up to his bum and to the floor. All right? Now, I'm going to do this all at once, but effectively what I'm going to do is I'm going to bump him. Like that. Bump him up, bridge him up. So, bump, hips up, get to him high, and then when he's high, I'm going to step with his foot that just stomps towards you guys.